Introduction. Kush has missed his school bus again. His mother is very angry with him. Kush knows the cause of this problem. He cannot read time from a clock. As a result, he gets delayed. But he has made up his mind today. He will learn to read time and never miss his school bus. In this lesson, you will learn about time. Clock. Look at this clock. The visible side of the clock is known as its face. It has a dial. The dial has 12 equal divisions. These divisions are numbered from 1 to 12. The clock has two hands. The longer hand is called the minute hand. It indicates time in minutes. The shorter hand is called the hour hand, and it indicates time in hours. Some clocks have a third hand. It is the thinnest and the longest hand in the clock. It is called the seconds hand. It indicates time in seconds, reading time. Look at this clock. Note the positions of the minute and hour hands on its face. The minute hand is pointing to 12 and the hour hand is pointing to 8. It means the time is 8 o'clock. Look at another clock. Its minute hand is pointing to 12 and the hour hand is pointing to 4. It means the time is 4 o'clock. Days, weeks, months and years. Time can also be measured in days, weeks, months and years. There are 7 days in a week. They are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. There are 4 weeks in a month. There are 12 months in a year. They are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Of these, 7 months have 31 days each. These months are January, March, May, July, August, October and December. 4 months have 30 days each. They are April, June, September and November. February is the only month that has 28 or 29 days. Seasons. There are 4 seasons in a year. They are winter, spring, summer and autumn. In winters, we wear woolens to keep ourselves warm. In spring, flowers blossom. Summers are hot. Trees shed leaves in autumns. Duration of events. Different events take different times for completion. 100 meters race is over in less than 10 seconds. A football match takes 2 hours to complete. A cricket match takes an entire day to finish. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. A clock has 3 hands: second hand, minute hand, and hour hand. A year has 12 months. A month has 4 or 5 weeks. There are 7 days in a week.
Hope you guys have enjoyed the video. May I request you to please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fun together.